Alright, what up, guys? So, look here. We got a unicorn.
No, it's not.
Kind of claps, but it's a unicorn.
That's my unicorn.
That's Johnny's unicorn, not mine.
Zane has a unicorn. He has a real unicorn. We'll show you that later.
We'll do it. We gotta do a whole video on that.
Yeah.
But as you can see, car's running stock. We got it all the way up in the air right now. Getting the other side up too. We got some lowering springs that came with this kit. So, we'll show inside.
No, it's not gonna open.
No, on that side. Try it.
Gotta go on the other side, man. This thing's janky. It's not. It's It's automatic.
Not clean, but it's stock auto. We got a 5-speed for it.
Yeah, we already got.
We got the 5-speed drive line. Got the flywheel. We need flywheel bolts.
Yeah, it's all. Transmission in the garage.
Cylinder, master cylinder. The lines.
There's lowering springs.
There's a couple miscellaneous shit that we need.
Yeah.
5-speed swap on. But he just bought it today, this morning, and we're throwing those pieces of shits on there. It's gonna look a little bit better than what it does right now.
Oh yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. Let's see. Don't worry, guys. Still got Subaru.
I mean, exterior is not the best, but there's no real rust on it or anything.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a missile.
It's gonna be drift missile.
It's gonna be dope.
Hope to be. I'm banging doors with this dude.
We're gonna be banging doors.
We're smashing doors.
We're banging doors.
We're gonna destroy doors. That's gonna get all destroyed, all wrecked, all of it.
So I'm making a bet with Jonathan. We're about to get these done in like the next 20 minutes. I don't know if that's gonna actually happen.
I don't know. We'll see.
Once we get up in the air.
Hey, I'm gonna put a timer on.
Put a timer on. Put a timer on. Put 30 minutes on there. 30 minutes.
No, I'll put a stopwatch.
All right.
Okay. Put the other side up.
Well, don't start it yet.
I know, I haven't started it yet. But we're making up the rules. We're gonna have the tires off. And then what else? That's it? Just tires off. Literally just gonna change the springs. Dude, if they're rusted on there, we're fricked.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're not.
No, we should be okay.
We should lift the rear end also.
Huh?
Just lift the rear.
No, we'll do that after.
Okay, so
20 minutes for the front only. I'm not.
oh, for the front? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We didn't get it before, but that's okay. Idiot.
I do this all the time.
Idiots. Here, wait, what if push the brakes?
No.
Okay. I think we may have overdone ourselves.
For what?
I don't know, dude. This just looks so intense.
So intense.
It's so intense, dude. Oh no. I am excited.
Me too.
Well,
I
hopefully.
haven't done this before.
Yes, you have.
I've never changed struts and springs before.
I have. You have dinner with me too in the Subaru.
I helped you on them, but I didn't. You were doing most of the work.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, man. Hope we're trying to swap it and be able to drift it within the summer. It's doable.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to do your manual swap?
A couple days.
Yeah. We should have recorded it, but you know, Zane was impatient.
I'm very impatient.
Yeah. I mean, I would be too. I want a manual 240. Alright. So now we got the tools. We haven't started yet. Start the timer. And let's see how fast Zane thinks he can do it in. Right, Zane? 3. Oh, wait. He's not ready. He's shooting for 20 minutes, dude? You're whack. Ready. Hey, look, you can see me in the camera. What's up? Okay, ready? Bro, I didn't start the timer yet. Oh,
Start it.
Okay, I started it. We'll see. We'll get back to you guys. We'll keep you updated. Well,
Took a lot longer than it should.
23 minutes in and we barely got one side done.
But I got an excuse for that.
There's no excuses in this game.
Bro, that thing was a pain in the ass.
It really was. It was so hard to get on.
Like, it was easy to assemble and everything. It was just putting it back together. The top hat bolts did not want to line up at all.
Yeah, but you know, it's cool. We'll do one side. We're finishing the other side. I'm not gonna show you an after. We'll show you an after. I don't have it before. That's the thing. So it's like.
Well, they saw the car.
Wait, we can show your before.
Oh, how
I forgot.
Stock?
Yeah, Zane has stock ride height. Mine doesn't anymore. Yeah. So I'll show you Zane's in a bit, and then I'll show you mine. Show you the difference if there really is any difference. I highly doubt it though. What do you think, Zane?
If there is a difference.
Yeah, they look.
I'm guessing 2 inches.
They look about the same, if even.
I mean, they should compress down. They got less links in them.
Yeah.
Like you got 3 coils, or 1, 2, 3,
Talk to the camera.
5 coils.
Don't be mean. Do you talk to it behind their back like that?
Yeah.
You turn and talk?
Yep.
That's rude. Zane's a savage, dude. He does not care. Okay, well, let's figure this boy out. Oh, Zane's jealous because I can do sleepy eyes and he can't.
I'm stealing that motor. I really don't. I'm stealing that motor off this car.
No, he can't. Once I crash.
Passenger side motor is great.
Once I crash it.
Side is shit.
Once I crash it.
No, once you crash, they're gonna be gone.
No. Let's put the wheel back. Oh wait, we gotta do the other side still, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we clearly didn't beat our desired time, which was 20 minutes. We're at 25 now. I'm just gonna stop it. But maybe next time.
Dude, you're Enki gang.
I know I got Ankies on this and my Subaru's Anki.
Oh,
I got Anki
shit,
wheel.
look at this damn spider. Fucking film this shit. What bastard.
Oh my god. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's not focusing.
Look at that bastard.
Where is it?
Focus on that bitch.
It's not focusing. Oh, wait. There it is. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, there you go, he blew it away. Big boy Zane mechanic.
I am a damn mechanic.
Having him do all the work. I just sit here and look pretty.
Pretty much.
Well, I'm gonna go inside because I have some things to do. Zane's gonna finish the other side for me because he's my slave and he does whatever I tell him to do. And he just loves me. He just loves me that much. So if there's any new updates, Zane will let you know. Skadoosh. Damn, that's a pretty fatty wheel gap. I'm not expecting anything extreme.
Yeah.
I'm expecting, you know.
Better than stock.
Yeah, better than stock. That's it. Minty. It's lower than Zane's.
Not for long.
Yeah. Not for long. He's.
Coming back. Your 240 looks like a proper 240 right now.
Oh yeah.
Mine's like.
That's Zane's. Fully stock, just like mine. His was automatic.
Mine's automatic. Huh?
Yeah, his was. Now it's
automatic.
manual. With the giant.
So now that we actually know how to do this, and we'll be able to do it quick, we'll film the process of doing this one because we kind of forgot to do this one and we didn't really have time to film it because either he was at work and I was doing this alone, or most of the time I was just working on it. So Jonathan didn't really film much.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing is gonna be dope.
Heck yeah.
Lowering springs on. Don't lower it too much, but.
Till next time.
Till next time. Coils on this, 5-speed, angle, welded diff.
Everything.
Welded diff.
Then tandems. Alright, see you guys.